Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your birth date in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And after it opens up, in the home menu where we have our feed, we have to go into the saved menu. Then in the saved menu in the top right corner we find a little cog, and by tapping on it we can go into the settings. Now in the settings, we tap on account management, and then on personal information, and then on birth date. And now we can edit our birth date if we entered it incorrectly in the beginning. And after we tap on OK and tap on update, our birth date is going to be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.